Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows security icon missing from system tray, fix it fast. First method is run a command. Second method is run a command from description. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.